Hello and welcome to this video on Google search tips and tricks that you must use in your 2023. In today's world, Google search has become an essential tool for finding information on just about anything. However, with so much information available online, it can be sometimes challenging for us to find what you are looking for quickly and efficiently. So that's why we have compiled some of the top tips and tricks to help you master Google search in 2023. So in this video, I will cover specific keywords using quotes, the minus sign, the site colon, and the file type operators and the Google Advanced Search. By using these techniques, you will be able to save your time and get more accurate results when using Google search. So sit back and just relax and get ready to become a Google search pro with our top tips and tricks for 2023. So here is the tip number 1, using the quotation mark for exact phrases. One of the most useful tip is to use the quotation mark to search for an exact phrase. For example, if you are looking for a best gaming laptop, then you are going to write like this: a best laptop for gaming. Now whenever you press enter, it will give you the website link that have the exact same phrase in their article. So if you see here, we can see best gaming laptop, and if we go down, then we will be able to see here that the best laptop for gaming and so on. If you go down, you will be able to get the website that have the exact same phrase. Okay, so now let's move to the tip number 2, and the tip number 2 is to use site operator to search within a website. So if you are looking for something specific within a website, you can use site colon operator. For example, if you want to search for coronavirus only on the World Health Organization website, so how you can write this? You can type coronavirus site and then the site link. Here is the site link of WHO, then press enter. If you see here, you can see the articles based on coronavirus are here by who.int website only. Okay, so this is how you can get results from a specific website for a specific word. Now the tip number 3 is using a minus sign to exclude words from search result. So if you are looking for information on a topic but wants to exclude certain words from the search results, so you use the minus sign. For example, if you want to search for a healthy recipe but you want to exclude the results for dessert, so you are going to write like this: minus dessert, then press enter. If you see here, you will get the websites that are showing results for healthy recipes, not for desserts. Okay, so now move to the tip number 4. So the tip number 4 is to use the asterisk symbol to find the missing word in the phrase. For example, you are writing a sentence and you missed a word, so to get that word you are going to use asterisk symbol on that place. For example, we have a phrase and the phrase is: a penny saved is a penny earned. And let's suppose that we forget the penny before the earn, so we are going to use the asterisk symbol there. So write: a penny saved is a penny. Penny, instead of penny we are going to use asterisk symbol here because we did not remember this word. Then earn. Now press enter and here you will get the same phrase that you are looking for: a penny saved is a penny earned. Okay, so this is how you can use this asterisk symbol for your missing words, to find your missing words. So now the tip number 5 is to use a file type operator to search the specific file type on Google. So if you are looking for a specific type of file such as a PDF or a Word document, use a file type operator. For example, if you are looking for a PDF on the topic of climate change, and then write file type colon PDF. Here PDF is a file format, then press enter. If you see here, we have the PDF for this climate change topic. If you go down, you will be able to see here we also have the file type PDF. So this is how you can use the file type operator. Now we are going to see the tip number 6, and the tip number 6 is to use the define operator. So define operator will help. Okay, if you want to find definition of a word, use the define operator. For example, if you want to find the definition of climate change, then you can write define climate change, then press enter, and then you will get the definition of climate change in each results. So the tip number 7 is to use the Google Advanced Search. Google Advanced Search will allow you to refine your search results even further. You can search for the pages that include the specific word, specific phrase, exclude the words or phrases, search within a particular website, domain, and much more. To access the advanced search, you need to click on this setting button and then click on this advanced search. From here you can easily make your searches and you can save your enough time by doing this. So these are the some tips and the tricks that you must use to get the most out of the Google search in 2023. By using these techniques you can make your search more efficient and accurate. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.